Well, it's been a long cold winter up here in Orkney. The wind, the rain, the snow, the ice, and all you can do really is sit and watch YouTube videos of boys like JP Riley scooping up grayling and Big Ross and Gordy scooping up big rainbows from stillwater fisheries. But for us it's been a few pollock, and for myself I've managed to have a few Arctic char over the winter. But we'll soon be arriving, D-Day's approaching, and luckily here we've got the sea trout to fall back on from the 25th. This was opening day, the 25th of February, and the browns obviously start in March. All the usual suspects were out, well most of them anyway, and we all seemed to catch that day, which is a good sign. We all seem to get the odd sea trout. I had about 5 this trip. Well, 2 or 3 of them, possibly about the 2 pound, and they're not in the greatest of condition. They've had a long winter as well, but it's fine to see them and fine to get the old bones out creaking again. So. As I said, very thin, a couple of them, but it's still excellent just to have that thump on the road again.
Whoa.
Once again, I kind of made an arse of the filming. I always do that early season, trying to concentrate on the filming and the fishing, and I don't know how boys like the Ginger Fisherman and all the superstars manage it. Trying to piss about with cameras and lures, and when you're getting the odd fish, the fish kind of distract for the video making, I'm afraid. But it was a day out, and I'll maybe have a few more sessions at the Sea Trout, and then on my birthday then the brownies start up again, and myself and Alex, we've got a few big plans for this season. Last season, it'd be hard to replicate, never mind better, but I think we've got a few ideas that hopefully might bear fruit, and just looking forward. It's far too long, the close season. Just been desperate to get back to the trout. So anyway, chaps and chapesses, I hope you're polishing off your own gear, ready for the start of the season, and I'm looking forward to hearing from a lot of you and see how you're getting on. So tight lines, folks.